Hello, my name is Vera Prytkova. I'm a research and application scientist at CCDC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit structure in Hermes. Let's take a look at the Edit menu at the top. We can add hydrogens. This will let us add hydrogens to the entire structure, both protein, ligand, and cofactor. It takes us usually a little bit of time, and there's a prompt coming up telling us how many hydrogens have been added. Now, another option is to edit structure manually. You have a prompt coming up that tells you that you can add atoms, edit atoms, or remove them. If you decide to add atoms to your structure, you can click on Atoms and choose the atom type, or you can click on Other and there is a periodic table that comes up and you can select from here. You can also choose how many hydrogen atoms will come associated with the atom and what kind of bond will be there. Once you have selected your atom, you can click on the atom in the display area, and this will let you add the atom to that atom. Then you can edit the atoms you already have. You can set the element type, and you can click here to update labels automatically or set the atom label. You can also choose to set the atom charge and the bond type. You can also remove atoms or bonds. You can also remove the entire molecule. In that case, you can click on the atom to which this molecule will belong, and that removes the molecule. Or you can remove the selected atoms or all hydrogens, formal charges, or unknown atoms. Let's try to remove one of the atoms here. Then you can also take a look at auto edit of the ligand. This allows you to identify polymeric bonds and guess bond types either for all bonds or for the unknown bond types. And you can also standardize it to Cambridge Structural Database conventions. So we can hit apply, and this will take a little bit of time. This should allow us to add the missing hydrogen that we just have removed. So we have a prompt coming up that we can accept or revert. So we'll hit accept. In cases where a ligand or cofactor is badly disordered, the ligand or cofactor geometry can be corrected by Hermes using correct ligand connectivity. So we can go here and say correct ligand connectivity. Note that there is no undo feature in autocorrection. So if the results are not satisfactory, you will need to reload the structure again and manually edit the structure. So you can click OK, and this has corrected the connectivity for us. Thank you for your attention.